What you guys have is the, if I pronounce it correctly, Agadez project. There's an inferred resource of 1.6 million tons at 295 ppm for about 10.7 million pounds of U3O8.
Yeah.
Can you tell us something about what that is about, how that the
Sure.
logistics and...
Sure. So our Agadez project is our flagship project. We completed the acquisition of that asset in May this year, and it's in line with the focus of the board as we've wanted to really commit to clean energy and the decarbonisation sector. So we already had the copper assets in Botswana. We then acquired these assets in Niger. Very quickly after doing the acquisition, we converted a historical JORC 2004 resource so that it's JORC 2012. And as you said, we have a shallow inferred mineral resource of 16.5 million tonnes at a grade of 295 parts per million for 10.7 million pounds of U3O8. We also undertook an exploration program both in Botswana and also Niger. In particular with Niger, a few weeks after completing the acquisition, we were on the ground, we were drilling. We did a 11-week program for 5,500 metres. This exploration program really focused in and around that resource that we were just talking about, which is an area called Agadez. It was really, the initial results that we got were really promising. All of our mineralisation is really sitting from surface down to a depth of around 40 metres, so a really shallow resource. Mineralisation still remains open in multiple directions. The highest grades that we saw were between 1,100 to around 2,200 parts per million, and those three holes were located within that Agadez mineral resource. So it was a really important thing for us. We're waiting on the assays for that work, and then we will look to upgrading that resource probably in Q1 next year. Another important thing that we have done at Agadez, is that we have announced and defined a exploration target for our assets in Niger. And that exploration target is really a function of us understanding or doing the work on the historical data that we have on those projects, taking it also into account the drilling program that we've just done, our understanding of mineralisation across the tenements, and also our understanding of the region. And our exploration target is between 90 to 130 million pounds of U3O8, and we're expecting to see grades of between 300 and 400 parts per million, with an average mineralisation thickness of between 2 and 5 metres. So that's been a really important step for the company in outlining the path that we're going to be taking forward. And in order to support that, in order to test that exploration target, we also announced last week that we would be undertaking a drill program, and that drill program is around 20,000 metres for 379 holes with an average depth of around 50 metres. And our objective is essentially to identify areas of mineralisation across the tenements that are new to us, and also to further extend that Agadez resource. So a really exciting time, and all of this has happened since May. So we've been quite aggressive with the work that we've done, and we're really looking to create value with those assets.